In this video, we're going to go over just setting up the FTP server information for parking lot download. Now, this one may not be for everybody because a lot of people may not have parking lot download, but this is a video for those who do. So we're going to open up GeoTracker here. Oops, I opened up the second instance here. Let me just close out of that. So if I go into GeoTracker and I go under Preferences and I go to Network Setup, this is something you will need to set up for the parking lot download folks. So the server address, that's hard-coded, that is what it is, and that is on that port. That is also what it is. As of the FTP settings, you'll get that from your ADAPCO person, tech support person, or sales rep. This is kind of like the FTP or parking lot download license, if you will. It's also your username and password to FTP in. So in this case, I'm going to put in my FTP username and password here. But you would get this again, like I said, from ADAPCO, and it would be the same across all your computers on your network for, like I said, this is based off of your account. You can show the password if you're trying to, make sure you didn't fat finger something, but I'm not going to do that here so I don't expose my password. Same deal here with your access point. This is where you type in your SSID and then your WPA2 based encrypted password for getting onto that wireless access point. Once you have these two things set, you press OK, and then that is all there is to it for setting up your PLD section for at least the general FTP information for parking lot download. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.